straight. Yo, oh my god, with that lift, dude. Should we go over there? Would you just leave your car parked there and then we just walk like over there?
This one. You can walk there and then when they don't, what if they don't dip?
Huh? They're gonna dip eventually, dude. I mean,
Oh,
like,
dude, at 39%. I didn't bring my charger.
your car doesn't look tuned out. So holy shit! Oh fuck! That's a chick too. That's a fucking chick.
That's gonna be us when we get a motorcycle.
Yeah, I know. Oh, dude, this fucking matte color though.
Tokyo Drift. Coca. Yeah, that's freaking Alabama.
It's getting cold. I think he's getting a run up. Look at this car right here.
Damn, like,
Oh, the spin out.
almost.
Almost.
Oh my.
Hey, next time, buddy. This car, though. And it's a Type S too. Wow.
All that.
Oh shit. Dude, oh my god. Wait, what system is this? The SI or no? Oh, it's the Accord. Shit. It looks nice, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, the GTO.
Oh, this is about to be loud. If I do it, I feel like I'm gonna spin out.
Then just do it, don't it? Like, play it off. Why does this guy keep coming back, dude? No. Oh, what the hell? 3 GTOs? They're muffled as fuck.
I was gonna get that for an old, like an oldie.
Dude, this is lit.
You're welcome. You guys would have been like bored as fuck up
Hey,
there,
we
huh?
came kind of late though.
Hey, so for the late is better.
Better late than never. Fuck, my phone's about to die.
Oh, it's a bit
Do it, do it, do it, do it. Ah.